Welcome to my review of the Great Heist. Hi, my name is Zelenka. Welcome to my channel where I do money-making online product reviews and help you start your online affiliate marketing business. Now, before I dive into this review, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also click on the notification bell so you get notified every time I publish a video on my channel. So what is the Great Heist? It is an e-digital product sold via Clickbank. There are some PDFs that will apparently train you in how to do marketing online. You get various different, as I've said, PDFs and information on how to earn money online. Here I bought the product, so I can show you what's in here. You get here we go. Let's see, the Great Heist. There are two guides. I've already actually downloaded this one. The first one is the China secret, which reveals the secret of this product already, and that is that this is just a rehashed product that we've seen before of the China secret that I've reviewed some months earlier. So you will find nothing new. If you bought the China secret, this is it. You get some other PDFs on e-commerce and eBay. I will go into more detail about it in a minute. But that is about it. So the China secret is about chatbot, about Facebook Messenger marketing. You get quite a lot of information. There are two PDFs, one, as I said, the China secret, and the other one is directly about the Facebook Messenger chatbots. Now, are these PDFs useful? They are in a way. You get quite a lot of like generic information about what the chatbots are, and also how you can use these chatbots, because you've seen now, I'm sure, on many websites that people are using chatbots. In fact, I'm getting one ready for my own website. So this is useful information. However, it is not all about the chatbots really, because here you're being sold a business. Now, you have no use for chatbot unless you have your own business. So to say that you will be earning money with this product that is called the China secret or the Great Heist is ludicrous, because of course you won't, because you need your own business to start with, for which you need the chatbot. That's the first thing. The second thing is if you're just starting out, you don't have an audience, you don't have your Facebook group. It is all very well saying, yes, if you have a Facebook group and thousands of people are in your Facebook group, and then you just message them and you'll be earning lots of money because everybody will be buying whatever it is that you're promoting. This all sounds really seductive, but it is not how it works. Because when you start your Facebook group, you don't have thousands of people immediately. Your friends and family are not interested in your affiliate links. So you need a bit of time to develop all this so that you have the use for the chatbot. Nobody mentions this. Everybody just says, oh, yes, you can promote your products or whatever it is that you're promoting on your social media channels, but nobody tells you that you need dedicated social media channels for whatever it is that your business is about, not just your personal accounts, because your friends and family would, maybe they like to see your affiliate links once, but not every day, and you need to promote your business every day if you want it to work. Anyway, I'm sorry if I burst this amazing make money in a minute bubble for you, but that is how it works. Now, so these two PDFs, as I've said, they're just generic information. They're quite useful. I wouldn't really, for $9, for how much this product costs, it's not too bad, but it's nothing you can't find on the internet for free. Now, the second part of this product, the Club Heist or the Great Heist, is about cryptocurrency. I confess I am no expert in cryptocurrency, so I was looking forward to reading this, even though as I was reading it, I remembered that I've already read this in China Secret. Now this PDF basically tells you where you can get cryptocurrency for free. Now, let me just say, as a beginner, I read through this again. I didn't really understand it very well, I don't think. However, what I understand from this is that you can go to places where they do have actually a couple of links here. You go to various forums where you find free cryptocurrency. And then somehow, via some complicated system, you get these cryptocurrencies to be worth quite a lot of money. You see, you go on these forums, and then you scour through them, and apparently there are free cryptocurrencies just waiting for you. Now, my take from this is, if you're already trading in cryptocurrency, then you know what you're doing. You don't need to be going via various cryptocurrency forums and then getting the free cryptocurrency and then waiting for that to inflate to some amount of money that you don't actually know how much it is going to be. So if you're already doing this, you have no use for this product or for this 3-page PDF. And if you don't know what you're doing, like myself, again, this product is of no use to you because you don't know even where to start. And even in the PDF, they do say they're not going about explaining to you how you start this, because you need to open the cryptocurrency wallet, and then there are quite a few steps. So if you're just a beginner, stay away. That's what I say. Yeah, so that's the second part. The third part is about e-commerce. There are few guides here, a few PDFs. This is the ultimate guide to Shopify, and it says video training, but there is no video training here. I will show you. It's just a PDF. I read through this the first time around when I bought the other product. It's just a lot of, again, generic information about what the Shopify is and how you can earn via e-commerce. Now, what they're doing is letting you use or getting you to use their affiliate link. So they earn a commission. I will leave my link with Shopify in the description. So if you're interested about trying Shopify, you get 2 weeks free trial. Please use my link. So that's basically that part. The e-commerce kickstart and the Amazon Rush are the exact same PDF. I don't know why they're here put as two different ones. They're exactly the same. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this is the first bit. Now let's have a look. Why be an Amazon affiliate? How to register for Amazon affiliate program? How to get your Amazon affiliate approval? This is all what you can find on the Amazon website anyway. Now let's see the Amazon Rush. Right. Let's see. Again, why be an Amazon affiliate? How to register for Amazon affiliate program? How to get the Amazon affiliate approval, and etc. So they're the two exact same PDFs. I think it might be a mistake. Quite possibly a mistake. Now the third one is about selling on eBay. What you can do, how you can sell on eBay, and etc. They do mention drop shipping on eBay. eBay doesn't really like you drop shipping there anymore, so be careful. And that is basically it. So you get what you pay for. $9 will not get you training for business that you can start and then earn lots of money. That is for sure. Now let me just go through the pros and cons. Pros are that it is a low price and you can get your money back via Clickbank, and there's some useful information in the PDFs. Now the cons, there is there's no owner. We don't know who the owner is. We don't know who the creator is. But I think through me saying that this is just a rehashed product, I think this is the third time around actually that has come about in the last, I think, a year or even less. So these are the same, I guess, group of people or one person who just keeps repackaging this. So no wonder they didn't want to show their face. And it's always a big red flag if people don't want to appear as the creators of their programs, because this is how you establish trust. This is how you have someone that you can ask for help if things don't go the way they advertise. And this won't go the way they advertise for sure. Now the training, I've already said, it is a lot of generic information. It's just not adequate for you to use it and then start a successful online marketing business. Now, updates are not happening. There are a few announcements. Like this one, there's a huge update due April 15th, 2019. That update never happened. Now, there's another one that is going to be, I think they say the 19th of June or July. June, yes. So we'll see. We'll just have to wait for June and see if that update does happen. I doubt it very much. I think what we might find is by June, this product will be probably repackaged and then by July sold under another catchy name. So is the Heist a scam? Well, you can get your money back, you get some information, you get these PDFs, so I can't really call it a scam. I don't recommend it because I don't think you will be able to start your business after reading these PDFs. In fact, I think you'll be just very confused, because if you're going to start your business online, you need to actually choose what you're going to do, whether you're going to do cryptocurrency or affiliate marketing or e-commerce or selling on eBay or selling on Amazon. And these things do take time for this to decide. And also, if you start with one, then you need to stick with that one, make it work, and then maybe move on to another business model. I suggest, if you're just starting out, to start with affiliate marketing. It is an amazing business model because you don't need your own product. You don't need any money to start with. You can start it today and you can start it for free. I'll tell you in a minute how. You have no customer support worries. You have no shipping costs. So it is really great. What you do in affiliate marketing, you promote the third-party products or services that you've enjoyed using yourself or that you know that your audience might enjoy or find useful. And you just be enthusiastic about it and then draw the crowd to hear what you have to say about it. And when they click on your affiliate link and buy via your affiliate link, you earn a commission. So this is what I do. I am learning about affiliate marketing on this amazing platform that is called Wealthy Affiliate. And because I'm so enthusiastic about it, I love it so much. I find it so useful and such good value for money. I really enjoy promoting it. And this is why I found success in affiliate marketing, because I really believe in this product. And I really believe that if you, I invite you to create your free startup account and then check it out for yourself. you have nothing to lose and everything to gain, because you get 10 free lessons in affiliate marketing, and also you get 2 free websites with free hosting and free support. So by the end of these 10 lessons, you have your website and your business set up online and ready to be filled with content, and then you just need to work on it. And hopefully in a few months' time, you will start generating some income via that. Now, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you're of an impatient character, you either consider changing that a little bit, or maybe don't start affiliate marketing or any online marketing, because this does take time to build up. So if someone tells you that you're going to start a business today and start earning money by tomorrow, they are not telling you the truth, because this is just not going to happen. You need to build your website. You need Google to recognize it, to rank it. You need to have some good rankings. You need to learn how to advertise if you choose to go via a paid advertising route to get visitors on your website. You need to learn how to promote your product, and then and only then start earning. Now, as I said, you can join today Wealthy Affiliate, and you can join for free. You get 1 week full access, and once you're there, I can offer you some more bonuses. And I really hope I will see you there, because this for me was a life-changing decision. I needed to work from home, and this was my way of giving up my 9 to 5 and staying at home with my children, which is my main motivation. So if you have a desire to work from home, to regain your financial freedom and spend more time with your family, or maybe traveling or doing whatever it is that you enjoy doing, then do try affiliate marketing, and I hope I'll see you at the Wealthy Affiliate platform. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for checking out this video. Please subscribe to my channel, give me a like and a comment if you've enjoyed this video, and indeed if you haven't, let's start a conversation. Also click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload my next video. See you soon. Bye.